Ford Explorer owners often need to disable interior lights when doors are open for camping, work, or other activities. There are three reliable methods to achieve this. The first and most reliable method uses the dome light override switch. This is typically a three-position switch located near the dome light assembly in your overhead console. Look for a switch marked on, door, and off. Simply slide or press this switch to the off position, and your interior lights will remain off regardless of door status. For 2020 to 2025 Ford Explorer models, you can use the digital instrument cluster settings. This method provides more precise control over your lighting preferences. Start your vehicle or turn to accessory mode, then navigate to Settings on your instrument cluster display. Look for Lighting or Vehicle Settings, then change the interior lighting option from Auto or Door to Off or Manual. The third method involves the door jamb switch, but this should only be used as a temporary solution. The door jamb switch is a small button or plunger located in the door frame. You can use electrical tape to hold this switch in the closed position, tricking the system into thinking the door is closed. However, be very cautious with this method as it may interfere with other door-related functions in your vehicle. These three methods give Ford Explorer owners reliable options for controlling interior lights when doors are open. The dome light override switch is the most dependable, while the instrument cluster method offers digital precision for newer models. When disabling Ford Explorer interior lights, there are several important considerations and troubleshooting steps you should know about. First, let's look at reliability statistics. The manual dome light override method is highly effective with a 99% success rate across all Ford Explorer model years from 2020 to 2025. However, there's a critical battery consideration. If you accidentally leave interior lights on, they can completely drain your Ford Explorer's battery in just 4 to 6 hours. Now let's cover troubleshooting steps. If your interior lights won't turn off completely, there are several things to check systematically. First, check all dome light switches in both front and rear areas. Second, verify your instrument cluster settings haven't reverted to automatic mode. Third, inspect door jamb switches for any that might be stuck in the pressed position. For partial success scenarios where some lights turn off but others remain on, check individual light switches throughout the vehicle. Each light may have its own control switch. If your settings don't save properly, ensure your vehicle is in accessory or run mode when making changes. The vehicle's computer needs to be active to store new settings. Finally, important safety considerations. Always ensure you have adequate alternative lighting when disabling interior lights. Be aware that disabled interior lights may affect visibility during nighttime entry and exit from your vehicle. Following these troubleshooting steps and safety guidelines will help ensure you can successfully control your Ford Explorer's interior lighting while maintaining safe vehicle operation.